Color variants of assemblies. In the following video, I will guide you step by step through the process of creating color variants for an assembly. This can be incredibly useful for presenting different design options, visualizing product variations, or simply experimenting with different looks in your projects. We'll be using attribute templates in combination with a simple yet powerful Visual Basic script to achieve this. With this method, you can either apply a uniform color to several components simultaneously or assign specific colors to individual parts, giving you full flexibility and control over the appearance of your assemblies. Don't worry if you're new to scripting. This video will make it easy to follow along. To get started, you'll find the download link for the script conveniently located in the description below. Make sure to check it out and try it for yourself. Preparation NX. First, select the colors you need as variants for the components. You can get the information from the color palette. Using the information in the color palette dialog, you can save all relevant information as a text file or HTML, import it into Excel, and prepare it there. Go to Save As in the dialog and save the file under any file name and in HTML format. Open an empty Excel file. Now you can copy the file you just saved into the empty Excel folder using drag and drop. Prepare the table and simply delete the columns you don't need, so that the formatting for the color map fits in the script. Simply insert the Excel formula shown into any column. Copy it, scroll to the end of the entries, and mark the column with the Shift key and the left mouse button. Use Ctrl-V to insert the formula into all relevant cells. Preparing Visual Basic. Now copy the formatted color columns that you will need later. In this example, from line 50 to line 63. Open the Visual Basic script in Notepad++ or in the text editor and insert the columns you just copied into the appropriate places shown. Please ensure that the inserted section is displayed correctly. There must be no empty lines between the brackets. Additionally, delete the comma at the end of the list. Then save the file. Now copy the names of the colors. This action is needed for the next step. Attribute Templates Preparation. Use the Attributes Templates command to define templates that are used during attribute creation. The attribute templates saved in the catalog can be used across sessions. You can create a new category from the category list. This step is optional. Here the category was created as 00 variants. In the title box, type in color as the title of the attribute. From the data type list, select the data type string and specify the constraint type to list. Now insert in this section the copied color names from Excel. Copy a color name from the list and set it as the default value of the attribute. After all entries have been made, you should ensure that the attributes are also available later. Click on Apply. This will list the attributes you just created in the Templates area. You can now export the catalog. The Attribute Catalog template is specified in the Attribute Templates catalog name, Customer Default. Now you can test how it works. To do this, select one or more components and display their properties. As you can see, the attribute you just created is immediately available. Make sure that the scope only affects the components. Select the entire column and right-click in the cell to edit it. Now start the script to transfer the corresponding color assignment to the components. You can also access the properties of individual components. Here you will also find the color attribute with the option to select the color using the drop-down menu.